Balik.
Here's my number. So call me maybe. It's hard to look right. At you, baby. But here's my number. So call me maybe. Try to chase
Ganun.
to my I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. I miss you so, so bad. You're born again into my life. I miss you so bad. And you should know that I miss you so, so bad. Ako nga si Carly. Ayun yung bakla. Naglilinis yung sasakyan ako, Ben. Asan yung bakla? Yan tayo. So call me maybe. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. But here's my number. So call me maybe. Try to chase me. But here's my number. Oh, yeah. So call me maybe. I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad.
Epileptic. Parang nanonood sila ng football game. Parang nanonood sila ng football game. Tapos biglang hinawakan niya yung legs niya. Alam mo yung over? Ganda-ganda niya, te. Nung nakaraan ko pa inaano. Achoo! Malakas. Ulit? I tried playing it through, but when I'm looking at you, I can't ever be brave, 'cause you make my heart race. Shot me out of the sky, you're my kryptonite. You keep making me weak, yeah, frozen and can't breathe. Something's gotta give now, 'cause I'm dying just to make you see that I need you here with me now, 'cause you've got that one. So get out, get out, get out of my head and falling. Hindi na. Na